Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quinn. If you guys are new, I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a long time. It's been 2 months. I've just been really busy, and I know every time I come on here I feel like I'm always like, sorry guys, I've been posting in a very long time. But yeah, I miss you guys. So I'm happy that I have some time to record today, and I have a very special thing I want to share with you guys in today's video. And also for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my palm string mini, what fits. A lot of you asked me, do I still like this bag? And of course I still like this, and of course I still use it, and I use it every day. So if you guys are interested, then just continue watching. Okay, so what I wanted to share in this video, I feel like this has been like my best kept secret for a very long time because it's just very precious and special to me. I don't even share it with my friends really. It's because it's just like something very special to me, and it makes me really happy even on my like worst days. I want to share with you that I have an Etsy shop. So I've been selling like jewelries and like little things. Well, I started this shop maybe like 2-ish years ago. I started selling like different things on there. Right now I'm selling jewelries, and I've been selling jewelries. I've kind of like designed my own and I sell them on Etsy and eBay. This is like absolutely what I love to do. I love like packaging my jewelry and like writing my thank you notes and like shipping it out. It's like the best part of my day. So I didn't feel like I want to share it yet, but now that I've created a lot more pieces, and I'm just like very excited to share with you guys. So working on like a brand. The brand I have was just kind of what I created initially when I started my Etsy account. So anyways, I just want to share with you my design, and I feel like you guys will love it too. So that being said, I want to share with you. Okay, so one of my latest and favorite ring at the moment is this heart signet ring. It's like a pinky ring called Pinky Promise. It's so pretty and I love this ring. It's one of my favorites. It's so fun. It's like a classic signet ring, but it's cute. So this is one of my favorite. I currently have a size 5, but if you guys need larger size or smaller size, then just let me know. I'm also working on like new shipments, so if a lot of you guys are interested or is looking for other sizes, then I will try to get more. My second favorite one right now, it's this ring. It is called Double Espresso. So it's this ring right here. It's like a mini Gucci link ring. And Gucci, not like the brand Gucci, that's just what they're called. It's like super tiny and very dainty and has like little diamonds. I really like this one a lot. It's very classy. So a quick story on the name of this ring, why I named this Double Espresso. It's one of my favorite drinks from Starbucks. I always do the double espresso shot in a grande cup, 2 pumps of white mocha, add cream and add ice. That's one of my go-to when I'm really tired and I need like a pick-me-up. Is the drink that I do. It kind of reminds me of like a Vietnamese coffee. Sometimes when I'm really tired, I'll get like triple shots, but my go-to is double. If you guys haven't had it before, I recommend you guys like trying it out because it's really, really good. Maybe try the triple espresso. That tastes a little bit closer to a Vietnamese coffee than the double. When I have too much caffeine, I get really jittery and anxious, so 2 is normally my go-to. The rings are all 14 or 18K gold over sterling silver. Oh wait, quickly I just want to share this one too. So this ring here, like my firstborn, I have designed and placed every single stone on here. It's called the Love Rainbow Ring. This was my first ring that I designed. It's still one of my favorite, but obviously these are newer, so I like them way more. But this one is my like baby. So anywho, that is that. Just wanted to share with you. I'm just so tired of keeping it a secret from even like my friends. I don't post it on social media or my Instagram or anything like that, but it's literally like one of the best part of my days. Like when I make a sale and I'm packaging it and writing my thank you notes, I'm genuinely so happy. So I'm so happy I get to share it now and it's out there. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I have new design coming, so just stay tuned. I'm in the works of rebranding it into something, but that's like down the line. So right now I'm just selling it because I just enjoy and like to do that. Okay, so that's that. Now let's get into what's in my bag. What I carry. So I have this Lanage Lip Mask. This is like the original, I guess, one of the original flavor, berry. I have that in there. I really want to try the mint flavor. I think once before I've seen it somewhere, but now they don't really sell it. I like everything that's like a minty flavor on my lips, so if that comes back, I want to buy that one. Okay, so next I have this hand sanitizer. I don't think I bought this one. I think someone got this one for me. It is from the brand Everyone for Everybody. Coconut and lemon. Coconut and lemon scent. It smells really good. I really like this one. I don't know where to get it, but once I run out, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try to research and get this one again. It's in a spray bottle, so it won't spill in my bag, unlike the one that, you know, just has the cap. And then I have my sunglasses. These are my favorite, like all-time favorite sunglasses ever. They are from Gentle Monster. It's a Korean brand and it looks so good. Honestly, these are like my favorite ever. It has the gold on the side. Every time I wear them, I just look way more classier. And they fit my face perfectly. It doesn't touch my like cheekbones. It's just like the perfect thing ever. And the sad thing is they don't sell them anymore. I like this one because it's gold on the frame stick, or what are they called? The new ones that they came out nowadays, they don't have that one, and I just love the gold accent. So like, quick story, it was like maybe like 3 weeks ago, someone went in my car, tried to find money. I think I've had like a couple dollars for emergency money and they took those, but my sunglasses was hidden up on the sunglasses like, so they didn't find that and they didn't take it. I'll be super sad if I lost these. These are my absolute favorite, and like is the only pair that I have that I actually use and love. So I need to find new ones, but yeah, I love these so much. Next, I have my key pouch. I have cards in here and that's about it. I decided to keep the key pouch. I think in a couple of videos back, I was debating whether or not I want to keep this one, and I did. And then I have my keys. These are, what is it, like touchless keys? So I never have to take them out really, so they just kind of stay in my bag. I have my mask. I feel like everyone has to wear one of these now. I really like the black mask, and I leave one in my bag just in case I go somewhere and someone else is driving. So I keep that with me. And then I have scrunchie and a mini size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in pillow top, and that is it. That's all I have in here. I don't really carry a lot of things because I'm not really doing much. Oh, one thing I did want to show you is this bag fits a normal size water bottle. So I got a water bottle here to show you guys. This is like 8 inches and it fits in this bag. See, fits, and you can put like your wallets and things in there and it'll be fine. But anyways, I just want to show you that it fits inside. Sometimes I go biking around my area, I'll put a water bottle inside here and it fits but I don't always carry a water bottle. So yeah, just so you guys know that it fits a water bottle. All right, that is it. That's what fits my bag. And if you guys are curious if I have any regrets buying this, the answer is absolutely not. This is one of my most used bags and I have no regrets. I love it a lot and I recommend everyone to get this one. Anyway, so that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you haven't already, click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!